we bid you return.
Hey guys, Peter Mopar here. Just have an amazing drag race for you guys. I'm gonna race both the cars, Quattroporte, Maserati, the Avenger. Should be interesting. Once again, this is a twin turbo V6. That's a naturally aspirated V6. So this car weighs over 4,000 pounds. Should be a little bit slower off the line. You guys know the Avenger though does upset cars that make more horsepower than it. We're gonna see. Did upgrade the tires and the transmission on the Avenger since the last time it raced. The Maserati now has Pirellis and new air filters and stuff. That was my bad. I raced it really dirty because I had just bought the car. Thought that, you know, they basically cleaned it and did all the good stuff. Nope, needed filters, needed tires. So we'll see what the performance is going to be like. Hopefully both of them can run their best time. It is like 90 degrees out though. It's really hot summertime in Orlando. So probably not the best ETAs, but we'll see if they have the best summer ETAs. Trying to break 13.7 here, trying to break 14.6 over here. So hit that like, subscribe button and stay tuned.
We are here. You are home, Sentinel. Get down, Air Sentinel! Optimus! You forget your place. This is my planet!
I mean, the Avenger in the summer, running winter times, that's awesome. And this thing makes all its power on the big end, because the Avenger and it are like right there, 0.2 of a second away from each other on the 8th. That's crazy, considering the Avenger's down 120 horsepower. Alright guys, so there you have it. Cars ran amazing for the heat. Like I said, it's 90 degrees. It's like 88 degrees right now with 1000% humidity. Shirt sticking to me and everything. Great run. 107 miles an hour almost. 106.9 on this. This hit 95. New transmission, ran a 4.6, which is its fastest time in Orlando Speed World is actually a 14.5. Did a 14.6 in this heat. 14.5 was like 60 degree weather, so that's a lot of promise. Very competitive races. Like I said, this thing's launching like hell, and this thing spools like hell on the big end. Raced other cars, had a great time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.